Now, CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
Well, breezy day today, nice evening tonight. Still some breeze along the coast. Here's our Keys camera this evening. Focused on Mallory Square there. There's a pirate ship sitting there, and there goes our little nightly ferry service that goes over from Key West to Sunset Key there. It's probably the Little Princess, as it's called. Here's temperatures right now. 79 in Miami, 78 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 75 in Key West. Comfortable temperatures. 3 on the stickiness scale. Comfortable humidities, especially for this time of year, and an east-northeast breeze. 21 gusting to 28. That's not quite as comfortable. In terms of the radar right now, it's showing a few showers. They've been coming in this evening. Started off in Broward. The activity has gradually been sinking to the south right now in Broward. Not too much showing up on the radar. That's the activity earlier. That has kind of faded out, but still some showers, quick little showers coming in Miami-Dade right now. We're going to see that activity for the next several days as the breeze stays up and brings in the showers off the water. Although that being said, the air relatively dry. High temperatures today in the mid-80s, close to and below the normal. Current temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. There's the breeze, east-northeasterly, anywhere from 13 to 21 miles an hour. It's going to stay up along the beaches, drop off a little bit inland. Earlier in the day, we saw wind gusts over 30 miles an hour. It's going to be at least this high tomorrow, if not a little bit higher. Pretty windy statewide as well. Big area of high pressure just to our north, giving us that easterly flow. It's also holding rainy season at bay. The wind is going to stay up for a few more days right into Friday. Over the weekend, the winds will finally come down as that high settles down right on top of us. But until then, wind gusts above 30, pretty likely through the end of the week. And in terms of the low humidity, at least relatively low humidity, and the dry season type of pattern that we're stuck in. No signs that it's going to hit. Look at that. Rainy season moisture stays away. Here we are on Friday, still in kind of a dry season pattern, and even into the weekend, that rainy season afternoon thunderstorm pattern, it's being held far at bay. We're looking pretty dry. No significant rain right through the weekend. Here's our forecast for tonight. Breezy along the beaches, some quick showers, but no heavy rainfall. Low temperature in the mid-70s. For tomorrow, look for a mix of sun and clouds, similar to today. Windy at times and some quick moving showers. High temperature near 84 degrees. On the water, winds east at 25, seas running 6 to 8 feet and choppy on the bays and taking us through the rest of the week. No big changes. Temperatures in the low to mid 80s. Windy, sun, some showers blowing by over the weekend though. The winds drop off and the temperatures go back up. CBS 4 News Tonight is coming right back.